Today I'm going to show you how to animate this on your Android device. Let's get started.
Animate.
For this tutorial, we'll use Pixamotion app. Download links in the description below. Check it out. Open your picture in the app and select the size. I'm using Instagram size for this one. Next, click on the arrow at the top right corner when you're done. To animate the background, select the Animate option. Click on the motion icon for creating the movement of the background. And draw the lines downwards. Next, click on the pin icon. Make dots on the edges of the waterfall. This will restrict the motion of the entire picture downwards. Next, select on the mask tool. I'll use this only to the subject, which is the girl. Cover the girl using this tool. You can play the video to see the results. Don't worry, you can always go back and edit your video to match the background with the subject. To unmask, zoom in and out. Use the unmask tool to remove the stillness or the movement around the subject.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way.
You can increase or decrease the speed using the speed tool. Click Done, and to save, select the folder icon on the top and click Export and save it to your device.
Life is happy, but it's so insane. We must merely make a start.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video tutorial, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos in the future.